Alright, come on, man.
You may have noticed recently I lost my focus. There ain't no roses when you're on the verge of hopeless. My parents keep fighting and I'm feeling like it's my fault. If dad leaves, mom says they're gonna shut the lights off. All the weed they be smoking got me needing Lysol. Now I see why they eating all the food that I bought. My home life is quite raw. I ain't nothing like y'all. Really wanted lemonade, but all we had was White Claw. He wanna ask his dad, what is he living life for? The last time he questioned him, he felt it in his right jaw. He never got a sorry, he only got an ice pack. Never even had a train to throw on the right track. Another day of school or another day of cruel. Another day of teachers trying to play him for the fool. Remember on them days that you don't want to get up. We all make mistakes, but God doesn't mess up, no. Dancing in the rain, smiling through the pain, never placing blame, hoping for some change. Every kid has a story, they're all not pretty. In a perfect world, I take them all with me. From kid to grown, all on their own. I pray to God they all find home. Not certain what the plan is, you're not your circumstances. Someone translate, only know a couple words and